Fold down na, oh. Yan. Now naman mga moms, gagawa tayo ng gingerbread house. Dumating na yung order ko from Pop-Up Desserts din siya. In Baguio City. Tara, let's open it. Sorry, let's open it. Okay. Gingerbread cookies ulit. Oh, wow! Look at that!
This is amazing!
We have coins.
Yum!
We have sprinkles. We have powdered sugar. Piping bag. Yes, piping bag. So we have to... Don't think, I'm gonna put this in the house, okay? Egg white powder, so I'm gonna mix it. Oh, what's that?
A rainbow. That's a rainbow.
Daming ano niya, oh.
Yum!
Egg white powder. Wow, look at this.
Look this.
Look at this. This is candy. Oh, this is the house.
This is confetti.
Yeah, and you have confetti, and we have pretzels. I wonder where we're gonna make it. We have to make it somewhere. Okay, there's the instructions. Oh my God, good luck kay Mama. Prepare and wrap the cookies here. Yeah, confetti. Good luck to us, anak. Good luck to us. Ayan si Rain, oh. Busy siya sa confetti at bubble wrap. Merry Christmas, Rain. Confetti and bubble wrap? Yeah! Christmas. You put decorations. Yeah, you put on the wall. You see? You stick it on the white one. The white ones are the ones who make it stick. Yeah, good job. Okay. Si Rain taga-kain. What have you done to Mr. Gingerbread Man? That's Christmas tree.
Toy!
Oh, toy. Okay, good job, River. Okay, you do. Oh, good job, Rain. Mr. Gingerbread Man. Oh, meron talagang shoes. Oh, and mata. And then, Kuya is decorating the wall of our gingerbread house. Good job, guys. And si Mama dun sa front side. And we'll do the roof in a bit, huh? Kinakabahan ako. Parang hindi tumatayo yung cookie. Paano ba ito papatayo eh? Patayuin natin, guys. Kinakabahan na ako. Finally.
It's done.
Wait. It's not yet. I was trying.
Check it out.
Check it out. Yeah, we're gonna make it a house. We're gonna make a house, Rain. Look at this, oh. River, don't push your brother, please.
Come on.
Come on, River. River! Ay, naku. See? It fall down na, oh.
I make it down.
Okay, hold it, please. Good job, River.
I did. Oh. It's good. Yes.
Thank you, Kuya. Oh, I'm so kinakabahan with this one. I'm so nervous, anak.
No.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is our house now. Yeah, we're gonna make it rain with snow. Diba, Rain? Let's make it rain with snow. No, Mama will do it, okay? Rain, excuse me. Let's put snow in the house. Ooh, there's snow.
I want to.
There's
Me
so
too,
much
me
snow.
too, me too.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Okay, you do it, River. Fix it. Yeah. Oh, oh. Slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. Good job. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah, put some snow in the house. Shake, shake, shake. Good job. You're putting house in snow. There's so much snow in the house. Good job. Good job, River. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah. Good job. Okay, Mama's turn. More in the front too. Yeah.
No.
Snow in the lawn. Yeah. There is snow everywhere on our gingerbread house. Yay. You like it? Monster. Go to sleep now, Rain. There's monster.
Hello.
You have Santa's hat. Alright, Gingerbread.
Merry Christmas.
Good no? Ay, good morning. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Ayan. Noche, Buena time. Ooh,
So,
it's the final Noche
Ito,
Buena.
gumawa si Ruth ng gingerbread house
That's the kids.
with the kids. And then we have charcuterie.
Charcuterie and red wine.
Some wine. Pasta.
That means fried salmon with potatoes and fresh dill.
Ah, good.
Here, the kids want to celebrate.
The next day.
Good morning, Momshies! Merry Christmas! Mag-open ng gifts yung mga bat today. Tara, let's go. So excited na sila. Good morning! Christmas. Naging Christmas na itong basketball. Those are the gifts. Rainmate, look at your gift, oh! Wala sa mo too. One for River.
That was the color line.
Ringlight, come here.
Wala sa mood. Hello, gingerbread house.
That's a...
Mama, let's see. Let's see what's inside the chocolate. Wow, there's airplane. What is for Rainmate? from Santa. Santa put something inside. Wow! For you. From Santa. Airplane. Inaantok pa. What's that? Oh wow, you have airplane too, anak. And you have a race car. Wow. Wow, thank you, Santa Claus. Ooh. This one for you also, Diva. Oh, there. Oh, Santa Claus. Wow! Open the gift, Tabor. From Santa Claus. Get the scissor daw. May pa-scissor pa siya. English yung scissor. Get the scissor. Is it a bulldozer?
Yeah!
Wow!
Yay! Open your gift.
I should get a bulldozer. The red one, this one. This is for me. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Yes.
That's the bulldozer.
Oh, ito dito na kuya. Laban na.
So big. Wow!
What's that, Ringlight?
Oh, wow. You're so big construction vehicle.
That's small. Yeah. This is my bulldozer.
Yes.
Big bulldozer.
This is the gift. Oh, wow. Do you like it? Yeah. Puro construction.
Taco.
Bato. Gift sa dada. Merry Christmas. Mama, also gift for you guys. Oh, this for Mama. You open it. It's a gift for you.
T-shirt. Yes! This is what I want. I like that color. I like this color.
Hindi niya pinapansin. Oh, that's Mama's gift for you guys. Uniqlo.
Oh, sinaluan mo ng isang Aries.
I was not sure if which one is the one that you like.
Mahal to eh.
Ayaw ba yan?
Yeah, I like this one. Mahal na lang.
Even this for you. You have same as Dada. Look. Twinning kayo ni Dada. And Raymond.
Ganun din.
Twinning! Wow, you're twinning! Look! Shirt for you. You like it?
No.
No! Ayan, Dada, meron ka rin shirt na ganito. Exactly.
Sa iyo ang ngayong orange.
Wow! Bumili ka pa. Ayan. What is this, Dada? Oh, headset! Yay! Gamit ko to. Every day. And I also have a coffee. Sakto! Go-coffee na ako! Yay! And I gift myself. Also. Ang kulit eh, no?
Winning din ba yan?
Hindi, wala na ako lang. I like something like this. Ta-da! Diba? Bagay dito sa bagay. Oh wow! You have new toys, guys! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Bulldozer. Airplane. Airplane.
Yan. Done na sila mag-open ng gifts, kaming lahat. Tuwa ka ba sa gift mo, Dad?
Oo.
Puro t-shirt. Magtitake kami ng family photos na naka-pajama. Tara, let's go. Wow! Okay! Talaga kasama si producer, anak. Smile! Liver! Smile! Yeah! Smile! Show your teeth! Later, go to say later. Naman siya!
Hi!
Good job! We got our spot na Momshies. This is our spot. Kitang-kita si SM. Wow! Fireworks! Yes! Look at that! Wow! Wow! I'm so lasing na mga